guys. Happy Juneteenth. How y'all feeling? I love you. You can't do nothing about it. Forgive yourself. You are everything you pray for. You are everything you seek. What you put out, you get back. Whatever you feed is going to grow. So know that the sky is not the limit. It's only the view. It's up to you. It's you versus you. Ashe? Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Now, can we go there? Was to leave you better than I found you. Our only mission was to leave you better than we found you. Is that all right? I love you to life and you can't do nothing about it.